In the village of Schaumburg, it is currently 39 degrees. We are expected to have a high of 57 and a low of 39, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. The Bulls will play the Toronto Raptors tonight at 7 o'clock. There is only one club meeting today, the Green Thumb Club at 11 o'clock in room 112. 5th and 6th graders. If you are submitting a piece of artwork from this school year for the Intergen or National Art Show on April 21st at Friendship Village, please fill out an entry form. The form will be in the Hoover Hawk for the next week or from Mrs. Discretion. Attention spelling bee winners. Please meet in room 110 during your lunch period for yearbook pictures today. Now, a message from Mr. Smelzer.
Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Welcome to the first day of spring. Unfortunately, it doesn't feel that spring-like out there right now. I think the leprechauns are back from St. Patrick's Day. There's been a few snafus in production studio today, but we'll get through. Let's see. One announcement that Mrs. Griebel wanted me to make was good news. After spring break, we're going to be starting the mile, and I know everyone looks forward to that. So she wanted to remind everybody to practice over break. 10 minutes out of your day to run that mile. Run around the house, run around the block, however you want to do it. All right, we're going to pull some Herbie high fives. This is the second floor egg. Let's see who we've got here. We've got David in 212, Taylor in 202, and Zane in 202. Jake in 202. Wow, 202 loaded the egg. Let's see. Riley in 202. I'm trying to dig around in there. Let's see. We've got John in 207. And Maher in 205. All right. And primary egg. Let's see we've got Rowdy behind me. Can you see him? We've got Leo in 114, Heta in 115, Bilal in 115, Morella in 102, got these special gold ones, Tyler in 115, we'll do two more. We've got, looks like Kyle in 107, and the last one for today, who's it going to be? Joey in 115. Congratulations to everybody who got their name pulled. Just a reminder to everyone, have a safe and fun spring break. Remember, there's no school next week. We'll see you a week from Monday. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelzer. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that in order to be called an exit, a bug must have exactly 6 legs? It is also must have 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Spiders are not insects. They have 8 legs and are known as arachnids. This week's broadcast was brought to you by your 6th grade production team, Unit Potato Production Incorporated. Have a enjoy your week off Friday.